And today I'm so excited because, as you can see here, I have this is my phone here, basically. It's basically just this. It's just all that. And today, you know, I've got a red background on my phone, like in my phone, but I have a blue back, so I wanted to fix that. So we went ahead and got this. So this is just an Amazon package, but this is a red case for this. So let's get in here. Okay, here we are. So first we have these, which I just need to go give to Dottie. Be right back. And this is the case right here. So let me put this in this bin here. I can't do it. Well, there we go. So this is the phone case. Let's open this up. And boom. It's a bit hard to get out. Oh, okay, that works. So let's put this in here. So this is what the case looks like. Now this is just a bit of plastic. So this is the case, and let's put it on my phone here. Oh wow, that looks sick! Check that out! That's amazing. I absolutely love that. It just looks so cool. And of course, because it's one of those cases, you can easily take it off as well. So that is my red iPhone case unboxing video. If you guys did enjoy this video, then please be sure to hit a like, because I absolutely enjoy this. It's crazy. And if you're new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe to join the Easy Army. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye! Wow, this thing just looks amazing.